possible. All right, arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. I'm still with you. Coming up at the midway point, a minute in, minute still to go. Boomerang FPV had a 33-second lap time to open up. Now at 29.7. He was in the top 3. I know he dropped down a couple of pegs. Now he's trying to reclaim that position going into our championship brackets this afternoon. He dropped down to 4th, but not by much. He got bumped down. He's about 1.3 seconds back, which means he's only got to find about 3/4 of a second a lap here in his final round of qualifying, and he's in pretty good shape now, working on lap number 3. On pace to maybe reclaim that top 3 spot. And as I say that, yaw spin of death, he's on his lid. Also, Ginger Kid 14 with some issues. Also, Single Core with some issues. Looks like he might be in a net. No, that's a gate. I see the vinyl. And so now we get Boomerang FPV back up in the air. This long one, this last one, I don't think it's going to help him. I don't think it can. Yeah, it's not going to be a personal best. Let's conserve the quad. You're in the brackets. You're in the championship. Let's just play it safe. We're on our lid again. That was one of the gnarliest finishes ever. Oh, we're going to fly it home. Single court. There we go. That last lap, a 78. Not bad. That's it. Heat number 7. We're under quad retrieval. You scare me.